Firstly, let me give you an example of templates which do not work. First template, which is very common, a lot of students do use this. There's a beautiful image in front of me. Let me have a closer look. By having a closer look, I can see various trends emerging. No, this is not going to work anymore. It used to, but please, my request, do not use it. You're going to waste your time, money, and then you'll have to take the PT test again and again. All right. Second template is on the screen I can see this. On the screen I can see this. I can also see this. I can also see this. I can also see this. That's not going to work. Now this is the template which I have used, which a lot of students have used recently in 2025 and have achieved a perfect score of 19 speaking. Alright guys, if you're still using the old templates, old techniques and strategies in Describe Image in 2025, you need to stop right now if you actually want to get your desired scores. Pearson's system has become way smarter. There have been changes and you need to make sure you do your job accordingly if you actually want to get your desired scores. In this video, I'll be sharing that what has actually changed in PT in 2025, specifically in Describe Image, what are things you need to avoid and how you have to get your desired scores, speaking naturally, speaking at ease, and giving a simple response. I'll be giving you the templates which are not acceptable, which will not give you the scores, and I'll give you the latest templates which we have tested, and 100% you will get your desired scores in Describe Image if you follow it the right way. Let's get into the video. Firstly, let's have a look at what Describe Image is. Describe Image is the third task of the speaking module. You'll have 3 to 4 questions in Describe Image. You will be given any image on your screen. It can be pie chart, bar graph, line graph. You'll be given 25 seconds to think about it, and then you'll be given 40 seconds to describe the image in your own words. This is marked on 3 parameters: fluency, pronunciation, and your content. Fluency is flow, pronunciation is clarity, content is how relevant is your explanation to the image you have been presented. Now, what used to happen earlier? Earlier, students used to just memorize templates which had no sense, whereby you have to just speak random sentences, doesn't matter what image type you used to get, and you used to get 90 or 19 speaking, but that is not the case anymore. PT's artificial intelligence is smarter, and if it detects a robotic answer, a fixed answer, or a generic response using a template, you will straight away get 0 in the task. We have made the same changes on our website as well. So if you practice on our website and if you use a template which is outdated, which is not working in the test, you will straight away get 0 on our website as well, and you'll get an error that AI has detected the template, and the same thing happens in the test as well. Now, if you will speak irrelevant content, you're not going to get your desired scores. What you need to do to get your desired scores, you need to make sure you speak on the image you have been presented. You do not have to explain each and everything given on the screen. Whatever you speak, you have to speak relevant to the image. Firstly, let me give you an example of templates which do not work. First template, which is very common, a lot of students do use this. There's a beautiful image in front of me. Let me have a closer look. By having a closer look, I can see various trends emerging. No, this is not going to work anymore. It used to, but please, my request, do not use it. You're going to waste your time, money, and then you'll have to take the PT test again and again. Alright, second template is on the screen I can see this. On the screen I can see this. I can also see this. I can also see this. I can also see this. That's not going to work. What you need to do, you need to use a structure, at the same time include keywords or highlights from the image. I'm giving you a template right now. I'll be doing 3 to 4 describe images using the same template, which will give you a clear idea. Now, the template I'm giving you, it's not that you just speak the template and you do not speak anything from the image, you'll get the scores. Template by itself will not get you the scores. You have to speak and add relevant content from the image as well. Now, let's have a look at the template and then I'll explain you further. Now, this is the template which I have used, which a lot of students have used recently in 2025 and have achieved a perfect score of 19 speaking. You start with the title of the image. The image or the image type gives us information about the title. So in here, image type, you can say pie chart, line chart, bar graph, whatever type of image it is. Then if it's a line chart or a bar graph, you can say what is there on the x-axis and what is there on the y-axis. For the third sentence, you can just mention 2 to 4 elements which are there in the image, means key elements or key highlights. Then you explain the first element, second element, then third element, and then you can come to the highest figure and the lowest figure. If there's no highest, no lowest, you can simply say the first step is this and the last step is this, and then you give a conclusion. Now, you do not have to be 100% accurate. I've told you in describe image, they're just giving you 25 seconds and then they are not really checking how well you are at analyzing the information. They're just checking your speaking skills. This task will only give you points in the speaking module. Therefore, I want you to take it easy. Just speak relevant content. Do not dig too deep into the image. Do not over explain it. Keep it simple, and even if you explain it but inaccurately, that will be 100% fine. Now, if I have to explain this image, this is how I'll do it. The pie chart, or you can save the image. If you're not really sure what image type it is, you can just say the image. The pie chart gives information about national energy usage structure. There are different elements which include renewable, oil and coal. Renewable is 33%, whereas oil is 6%. Furthermore, coal is 16% and natural gas is around 11%. Moreover, nuclear is 25% and hydro is 3%. The highest one is renewable, whereas the lowest figure is oil. Overall, the image is about national energy usage structure. It's not something hard and fast that you have to use this template or you have to use it exactly as I'm giving out to you. You can mold it as long as you speak around 30-35 seconds. You include the main highlights of the image. You speak in a flow, you speak clearly, you'll be 100% fine. I'm giving out a structure, give the title, speak 2 to 4 elements, whatever they are in the image, and then you explain the first one, second one, third one, maximum, minimum, and conclude. Let me do another one for you that will give you a better idea. Let's say if you get this image. Now this image has got no keyword at all, but you have to be calm, relaxed. There's no right or wrong answer. It's just your perception of the image. Just take it easy, break it into different parts. For images like this, you can mention what's at the top, what's at the bottom, what's in the background, what's on the left, what's on the right. So take it easy, let's do it. The image gives information about a playground somewhere in the city. On the left hand side of the image, we can see a lot of trees and people are running. Probably it is their evening walk. In the middle, we can see a man and a dog who is following the man. On the right hand side, there is a tree under which people are sitting, enjoying their picnic and reading the books. On the top, we can see it is a clear blue sky with a kite flying high above the sky. In the background of the image, we can see a lot of tall buildings, which looks like a beautiful city. Overall, the image is about a very beautiful park, which is somewhere in the city. Easy. What did I do over here? I kept it simple. That this is on the left, this is in the middle, this is on the right. In the back, I've got skyscrapers. In the front, I've got flowers. I've got a sky. I've got kite, and that's it. Keep it easy. You do not have to be 100% accurate. Even while explaining, you make a mistake, you go on. Do not correct yourself. If you do so, 100% you will be fine and you will get your desired scores. Let me do another one for you that will give you a better idea. Now, this image. Whenever you get bar graph, students are confused that what if we do not give the correct numbers? What happens? Doesn't matter. Let's say if instead of 20 you're saying 18, it's okay. No one will sit and check your accuracy. They will only check if you're speaking relevant content. If you do, you will 100% get your desired scores. The bar graph gives information about smoking rates in various global cities. The x-axis shows different cities which include Beijing, Shanghai and Dubai. Whereas the y-axis shows smoking rate which includes 10%, 20% and 30%. Firstly, Hong Kong is around 4%, whereas Beijing is around 12%. Moreover, Dubai is around 8% and Tokyo is around 19%. The highest one is Seoul and the lowest one is Dubai. Overall, the image is about smoking rates in various global cities. Now, the lowest one is Hong Kong, but I spoke Dubai. I knew while speaking, I knew that I made a mistake. But doesn't matter. You do not have to be 100% accurate. You are relevant. You are fine. So this is what you have to do. What has changed? If you use fixed responses, if you use generic sentences, if you use sentences or templates which have nothing to do with the image you have been presented, you're not going to get the scores. But still, you do not have to be 100% accurate. You have to speak related to the image you have been presented. Go around 30-35 seconds. Speak in a flow, speak clearly, and you will definitely get your desired scores. So these were few tips which you need to keep in mind, which you need to follow if you actually want to get your desired scores, especially in the speaking module. Things have changed, but it is not impossible to get the scores. You cannot use fixed templates. you can still use structure whereby you add few keywords and content relevant to the image, and you will definitely get your desired scores. Speak it around 35 seconds. Make sure you practice as much as you can, at least 5 to 7 images every day. Practice on languageacademy.com.au, whereby we have updated that whenever you use templates, it will mark you down to 0, and it will be clear for you that what kind of sentences you can use in the test and what not. That's it from this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, do like, share and subscribe. If you want me to cover any other topic, let me know in the comment section and I'll do the same for you. To practice, go on languageacademy.com.au, which is AI powered website, and you can do anything relevant and related to PT over there, or you can download the LAPT exam practice app, available on Android and iOS as well. If you need any help, any training, we do provide online and on-campus classes. We've got 13 sessions running every day according to different time zones. Just send us a message, give us a call, and our team will give 100% to help you out. We've got a campuses in Australia, in India, and Nepal as well. Feel free to visit us and we will give 100% to help you out, like we have had more than 50,000 students till date. That's it. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you in the next video. Go and practice your describe images on languageacademy.com.au.